Welcome to EPZ Pathshala program. Paper name Economics of Disaster. Module name What is a disaster? Case studies of disasters. Famine, Ireland 1845 to 48. The main objective of this module is to understand how famine in Ireland resulted in a disaster. Introduction. Ireland is an island in the North Atlantic. It is the third largest in Europe and the 20th largest on Earth. Politically, Ireland is divided into the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. The former covers 5/6 of the islands and the latter is a part of the United Kingdom covering the remaining area. In the year 1845, Ireland has its worst famine known as the Great Famine. It started in the year 1845 and went up to 1850. However, the worst affected years are 1845 to 48. According to some of the historians, it is a turning point in the history of Ireland. In the 19th century, Ireland famine was a common phenomenon. However, the Great Famine surpassed all others. During that time, potato was the staple food of Ireland's rural population. However, this crop is very vulnerable to diseases. In the year 1845, they were expecting a good harvest. However, when they digged up their field, they got a black sticky mess. Their crop was infected by potato blight. An air carried fungus. There was no cure for this, and even if that exists, people do not have the ability to afford it. Ireland was under British rule and Sir Robert Peel was the Prime Minister. He shipped Indian corn to Ireland and made arrangement to sell it at cheaper price in different places. It helped few families. However, poorest people did not have enough money to buy it. Due to transportation